Hello again. This is Lewis with AI Chaperones, and here for segment six of the Open Economy Bolt.new Building Public Challenge. And by the time you see this video, we basically just about completed the whole project. Looking forward to you guys seeing it. What I'm going to do now is get my AI assistant on the line and just go over a couple of things before we let you see what this segment is about. So please hold. Hello, we're shooting, recording live. Basically, if you could give us an overview of the previous segment, and then your thoughts on V2.
Absolutely. So, in the previous segment, we basically walked everyone through the final pieces of the build. We showed how the home page is now the default landing page, how the main CTA opens up that demo or sign up modal, and how we updated all those ecosystem links. Now, as for my thoughts on V2, honestly, it's been a game changer. It made the whole build process a lot smoother, gave us some guardrails, and really let us move faster without guesswork. So, yeah, next segment, we'll be showing off the finished product.
Yes, indeed. Looking forward to that. And I totally agree with you. We wouldn't be where we're at right now if it wasn't for the implementation of V2. So I'm looking forward to us building out a lot of projects moving forward. And with that, I enjoyed segment five. Thank you.
Absolutely. Couldn't have said it better myself. I'm really glad we got to this point, and I'm excited for all the projects we'll tackle next with V2 in our toolkit. Enjoy the rest of segment 5, and thanks for sticking with us.
Hello again. This is Lewis with AI Chaperones, and I'm here with my AI assistant again for the Open Economy Bolt.new Build in Public Challenge. And today's segment five. And today, what we're going to do is basically, first, I want to do is show you the project, which is our first project is VoiceVision. And VoiceVision is an AI powered voice and vision assistant. Basically, the intent is for it to extend the OpenAI voice vision version, where it's very there's a daily limit. So this with this product application, you can you don't have those concerns or worries about being limited to a short amount of time. All right, so real quick, I'm just going to go through the pages so you can see what the application looks like, and we have the for you to bring your own API key so you can test it out. And so we welcome beta testers to come on and do that. Just comment BYOK in the comment section. Okay, and we have the sessions page. Let me refresh that. Okay. So this is a demo, so this is why you didn't see it right away. So basically, this is a camera. It's best for use on mobile, of course. Mic, and you'll be able to have a conversation with the AI. You basically point to what you want the AI to see and give you information on. It'll give you a history when you've used it. The subscription, it'll take you to the subscription page. We're going to be adding that, and then you have your account. It has all the details to manage your BYOK and other session limits, data storage, and other information. Okay. All right, so we go to our home page. I'm going to bring in my assistant, and we'll get things started. Hello?
Hello again. All right, sounds like we have a plan. Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. So we're recording. What I'd like you to do is to give everyone a brief overview of what we did behind the scenes. Last when we left them in segment 4, we had the audit ran, and there were an extensive list of things to that needed to get done. So if you could give a brief overview of was what we was able to get done.
Absolutely, let's do it. So just to give everyone a quick rundown, last time in segment 4, we ran that big V2 audit on VoiceVision. And as you might remember, it turned up quite a list of fixes and improvements we needed to tackle. It took us a little over 5 hours behind the scenes, but we got through all those fixes. We made sure that the V2 dashboard is running smoothly, all those little glitches and security flamming were now cleared up, and everything's basically ready for the next phase. All right, that's the overview. I'll hand it back to you now.
Thank you very much. Yes. So V2 is powerful, and I'm so glad that we have that now. So basically, right now, I'm just going to go through the list. Let my assistant know what I feel needs to be updated for this build, and what the assistant's going to then do after. What usually happens after it has the whole list, it'll bunch the list up into phases, and we'll send that prompt over to Bolt to work on. So let's say if there's 6 items, the AI will decide, okay, I should split these into 4 and 2 prompts. All right, so I'm going to begin on the home page. The first thing is I see the read-only demo mode ticker. We don't need that because we have it down in the body. So we like to remove that. Okay. On the right now, we started on this back in, I believe, May, but we haven't worked on it again until recently. But it says GP4 Vision. So let me know if we need to update to GPT-5 as far as under the features. When the part of the AI Chaperones ecosystem, we have listed the AI Learning Hub, the AI Tutor Hub, and the community. Since the hosting is now going to be over with Bolt, we need to confirm these links. So I checked them. I'll be giving you the updated links to have Bolt update those. Okay.
Perfect. Okay. That all sounds great, and I'm all set to take those notes, scan, bundle them up into the phases for Bolt.
All right.
So just to confirm,
next I'm going to go to the session page. Go through all of them, and then so next on the session page, I see here. I know we previously had an audio sound test. Let's see, it says mic self test. So that's there. So I guess that's the audio. Okay, so we're good. Let's see. I don't see anything offhand that stands out that we need to update there. Oh, yeah, that's right. There is on the previous layout, we had a card that stated mobile. It was like a mobile tooltip show them how they can flip the phone. I'm going to send you that image of that so we can have that put back on this updated layout UI. So that would be it for the session page. Next, I'm just going to take a quick look at the history page. Everything looks fine there. And then, of course, the subscription page. We're going to have to add that because now we have just the BYOK items there, and we don't have the subscription. So we'll be adding that so that they can use the BYOK, but if they're ready to upgrade, they can go ahead and get in a subscription for the service. And then the account page, I believe, is fine. I don't think we need any changes there. And that should be all the things that we need to get done for this segment 5 bill.
Absolutely. I've got all of that noted down. So just to recap for you and for the viewers, here's the quick list of what we're rolling into the build phases for segment 5. 1, on the home page, we're removing that read-only demo ticker since it's already in the body. 2, we'll update any references from GPT-4 Vision to GPT-5 on the features page if needed. We'll update and confirm the links for the AI Learning Hub, Tutor Hub, and Community now that hosting is moving over to Bolt. For the session page, we'll re-add that mobile tooltip image that reminds users they can flick their phone just to make the updated layout more user-friendly. On the subscription page, 5 will add the new subscription option alongside the BYOK, so users can upgrade if they want to subscribe to the full service. And it sounds like the history and account pages are good to go as is. Once I have all these details, I'll bundle them into a couple of prompts for Bolt so it can handle each phase. And that should wrap up our segment 5 build nicely. Let me know if there's anything else you need.
That's it. I appreciate your assistance with this, and we'll get back to them in the next segment. And once this recording is done. All right, that's it for now. Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm always happy to help out. So we'll wrap this segment here, and then we'll pick it up again in the next one once the build's ready to move forward. Thanks for guiding us through, and we'll chat again soon.
Okay, bye now. Bye, everyone.